Every evening when my cat gets hungry, she'll hop up on this little table and we'll be over here on the couch. And then she'll start knocking things over onto the floor. And she's learned that this will make us feed her because it's really annoying and it makes loud sounds. So one by one she'll start knocking all of these over. But not today. I'm gonna play a prank on my cat by putting double-sided tape on the underside of these things that she knocks over every day. And I'll put them right near the edge like this. Yeah, and then we'll put all the things in there. There. Let's see how you like that. A little bitch.
That's the wrong number!
Oh my dude, you just got pranked. Bet you didn't see that one